What going on in the laboratory today? Yeah, man. The window piston Avenger, the muffler blew the hell off. So I got some studs from the old BT, you call it BT 100? Yeah, BT 100. Made my own gasket. A little grinding with my little grinding tool here. You know, what else tool I use? I couldn't find my scissors, so I had to do a little something, you know. Basic tools I use to cut that gasket, cut and grind. Let's see now if it fits. All right, it's new studs. See the new studs there? This time I had Loctite. I had no Loctite. These studs are strong as shit. Put it on. Bang, bang. There we go. It's a good cut hole there. Yeah, man. We're not cutting that. We're leaving this gasket just like that. Yeah, man. Add Loctite. Tessaras. Yeah, man. As you were.